How can one determine the current value of one Satoshi in their local currency?
Hello, and welcome to today's tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to determine the value of a single Satoshi in your local currency? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll go over the steps to do just that. And remember, a Satoshi is the smallest unit of a Bitcoin, representing 0.00000001 BTC. Let's dive in.
What is a Satoshi?
Before determining its value, it's essential to understand what a Satoshi is. A Satoshi, named after Bitcoin's mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, is the smallest fraction of a Bitcoin you can have. If you imagine breaking one Bitcoin into 100 million pieces, each tiny piece would be a Satoshi. With the rise in the value of Bitcoin, even this minute unit has gained significance.
Finding the current BTC price.
To find the value of a Satoshi, you first need to know the current price of Bitcoin in your local currency. 1. Visit a reputable cryptocurrency exchange or financial news website that provides real-time BTC price. 2. Locate the current price of 1 BTC in your local currency. 3. Jot it down or keep it in mind.
Calculating the value of one Satoshi.
Now that you have the price of 1 Bitcoin, calculating the value of a Satoshi is straightforward. 1. Take the value of 1 BTC that you found. 2. Divide this number by 100 million, since there are 100 million Satoshis in 1 Bitcoin. For example, if 1 Bitcoin equals 10,000 of your local currency, then 1 Satoshi would be 10,000,100,000 equals 0.0001, frac 10,000, 100 million equals 0.00011000, 0.0010 equals 0.0001, so 1 Satoshi would be 0.0001 of your local currency. And there you have it. Now you know how to determine the value of a single Satoshi in your local currency. It's a straightforward process that hinges on the current value of Bitcoin. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this tutorial enlightening. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of cryptocurrencies.